Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video. Okay, it's not so like an unboxing video out of the box, because here is no boxes, as you can see. Let me introduce you the Winntec car jack. Yeah, oh, he looks really awesome, and he looks professional. This is the Winntec Garage Jack. Oh yeah, the car jack for the garage. Oh yeah, workshop by Gaither. Gaither is a professional garage equipment producer. Yeah, and here you can see this car jack can lift SUVs up to 3 tons. This is a lot. It is a big, fat garage jack. The number is Y420330. This product is available in different sizes, etc. In this case, the netto weight is 32 kilograms. This is heavy, really heavy, because it is for SUVs, for heavy cars. Oh yeah. Vintage garage jacks are built from quality materials and loaded with features to increase the durability and efficiency of each unit. The pump pistons are placed at a 45 degrees angle, so a complete pumping stroke will always be utilized. The professional universal joint release valve makes it possible to lower the jack with a load very precisely and safely. Every model comes equipped with a handle protector, and this is really awesome. It will lift up to 3.3 tons, 4.15 inches or millimeters. The millimeter are higher than it's a half meter. I think it's maximum a half meter, nearly a half meter, to lift up your car with this car jack. It's durable. It looks really nice with this gray and yellow finish. You have nice wheels attached or assembled on this car jack. A big plate which contains rubber material on top, or you can also use a hook to an additional thing. The plate is rotatable. That means it is so flexible to use. Really awesome. It will come under your car jack joint or host, and with this you can aim really good, and then it's so easy. Only place the lever in position and lift up the SUV. You can also lift up small cars too, no problem. Or you can lift up motorcycles as well, or little trucks. No problem with it. What is a car jack? A car jack is a mechanical lifting device. It's used to apply great forces or lift heavy loads, like a car or an SUV. A mechanical jack employs a screw thread for lifting heavy equipment. A hydraulic jack uses hydraulic power, and this is a hydraulic power system. There are 2 cylinders inside, which is getting so much force to lift up a car easily with not so much strokes. The most common form is a car jack, floor jacks, or garage jack. This is a garage jack here because it is more heavy, more solid, and for daily professional use. Or you will need it for SUV. Yeah. Which lifts vehicles so that maintenance can be performed. And because of the lift area of a half meter, this will have a good lifting thing, and you can have a maintenance and work safety under the car. Whoa, Jacks are usually rated for maximum lifting capacity. For example, 1.5 tons is the standard car jack. And this car jack here lifts up to 3 tons. Industrial jacks can be rated for many tons of load. That means here is a car lift for SUVs and for heavy goods, for heavy things, up to 3 tons. Wow, this I think is a really awesome garage jack by Winntec, and Winntec is made by Gaither. A nice device. I will continue using this for all my maintenance on my cars, especially on SUVs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.